So these guys met in college and always wanted to start a robotics company. But because they're both international engineers, they had to get jobs at Tesla instead. Until they started catching up over some new research and got a little too excited when they realized there's something the entire robotics industry is missing, and that's data.
For machines to really take over the world, we need an ecosystem of companies that cover 3 pillars. We need to collect real-world robot data. We need to use that collected data to train the AI models.
And number 3, we're deploying robots!
But right now, there's no pillar 1 because there are not enough robots out in the field to collect a bunch of data.
Yeah, and that's because a lot of the robotics companies today are actually a lot of lab rats. They try to spend a lot of time indoors perfecting the AI model when they actually need data collection to perfect those models in the first place.
So basically, Shane and Jason think the industry should be running in reverse, deploying as many human-operated robots first so they can collect more data for training. They already started with VR-controlled packaging bots, because a cheap headset with intuitive controls means they can ship usable robots faster. So these guys have been doing this for like maybe a few months, but they're moving ridiculously fast.
Yeah, so the other day I was on a cold call with the warehouse operator, and he asked me, "Hey, are you in town tomorrow to tour the warehouse?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm in town. I'm 400 miles north in SF, and the warehouse is in LA." I put the phone down, get in my car, I leave SF at midnight, arrive at LA at 7 a.m. and deal closed.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna use, man.